Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G22 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll in order to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down to find encryption and credentials option. Let's enter, and as you can see almost at the very bottom of the list we've got clear credentials option. So let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, we cannot tap on this option again, which is also an evidence that the reset option worked. And be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, so for example pattern pin or password, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to remove certificates in your Motorola Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.